Welcome back everyone to Aggressive Fun. Today we have two guests again. We have Ashley and Jessica, and they're here to help do a tryout and a review of the Littlebits kits. We have two of them. And one is the Gizmos and Gadgets, and the other one is the Arduino coding kit. We probably won't get into this one very much today, but that's what we have. They're a little bit pricey right at $200, and we got these at Barnes & Noble. So the good thing is, if you have a Barnes & Noble discount card, the two of these we got $30 off, so that was a great discount. But we'll see. Hopefully we can learn. The whole goal here is to build a robot, and there is a BitBot. I don't know if you can zoom in on this one on the back. Our goal here is to build the BitBot. Oh, actually, there's a better picture of it on the front. I didn't realize it was there. This is the one that we're going to build, or try to. Have you guys ever seen these kits before, the Littlebits? I haven't either. I saw them advertised, I saw them on the shelf, and I thought this would be a cool thing to go through with these guys. How old are you, Jessica?
7.5.
7.5. Okay, and how old are you, Ashley?
5.
No half?
No.
5 3/4? Yeah?
Just 5.
Just 5. Okay. And we don't care how old I am. We know that they give an age range on these. Oh, 8 to infinity. So I'm closer to the infinity. You're closer to the 8, right? And you're closer to the 8 than infinity. Do you know what infinity is, Ashley? It's long, everything. Do you know that? That's a terrible description of infinity. Infinity goes on and on and on. It's like in, who says that? Buzz Lightyear in Toy Story? Very good, infinity and beyond. So it's a lot. Okay, we will open these up. They have not been opened. Okay, let's see what we get in here. We have the instructions. We have a little tray. And we have a kit of a whole bunch of things that it's looking good that there's wheels, parts of robot. Okay, so once we have this, guys, what should we do first? What do you think? You got all this stuff here, what do you do? We've never done this before, we don't know how any of it works, what do you do?
Look at the instructions.
Do what?
Look at the instructions.
Oh, the instructions. We'll get these out of the way. Goes over there. How does this work? It's like this. What's it say at the beginning here? Littlebits, Gizmos and Gadgets. Unleash your inner inventor. Are you an inventor? Are you an inventor? What's an inventor? What's that mean? What do you think what's the definition of inventor?
You build things and you're really good at it.
Oh, very good. That is. Somebody who builds things, somebody who creates something, makes it into a product. You'll want to zoom in on some of these. This goes through the description of each of the pieces. Order is important. Anatomy of a bit. There's a magnetic. Okay. So Jessica, take 2 of those out just as a test. Take any 2 of them out and try to connect the connectors together. Oh, those 2 don't look like they go together. Oh, right here on the end. See these 3 little brass colored buttons? They attach to other things, and then you make your whole thing grow. Like these are attached together. So we'll have to learn, like this one is already connected. So you pull them apart, and they're matched. They also have a slot that indexes them, so they can only go together. And the magnets won't let you put those together that way. So you know that's not going to work, but it will go that way. So let's see you put those together. Can you make them made up? Very good. First try. Okay, that's how this system works. You take these different building blocks. We have all of these different types.
This one I just connected that worked.
Good job. They all have this little interface on them with the 3 buttons and the magnet, and they pop together. That's really the main thing about the assembly of this whole system is they make it trivially easy to connect things up electrically and make it so that all of the functions work together. So in this case, for example, you've got a battery, power comes in here, goes through this little slider and then comes over to this display. What I was showing was this, we could put this one together real quick. Let's just do what's here first, okay? So, Jessica, the battery you saw, grab it. Ashley, what else do we need here? We have this one. We have this one. What else do we need? Sorry. What of these do we need to get? Do we need one of those? You're right. Because that's this one, right? And what else do we need? How about one of these pink ones? There's a pink one right here. Where's the pink one? Well, yeah, the long one. So put that on that one. What's this one? There's a green one. There it is. Okay. So there's all of the pieces, right? Do you see one of these battery clips in there, one of these cables?
Yeah.
See how these go together? Right here? Or right here? So you put these two together, like they are here. Slip that in there. Yeah, like that. There you go. Okay. So what do you need next then? Green went to green. Now you got what? So there you go. That. See where it is on the end of the green?
There we go.
Okay, we got the battery set up here too. And will you work from this other end? See how this connects into there? Connect those up. Okay, and you got yours now connected. So what comes next here? Goes from there to where? So this one and that one, put those two together. See this, what we've got to connect the wire up, right? There you go, good job. Okay, the on-off switch. Let's see. Okay, so it's off, right? See where it says off right there? It's off. So if we plug those in, you want to plug those together?
We got glue dots.
Okay.
Glue.
Now, let's see what happens. If you watch this, Jessica. If you flip that switch to on, let's see what happens. Whew. Okay, make this control go down. So you can turn it off. You make it loud. Make it really low. Is that cool? Mm-hmm. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Turn it on. And slide that. Make the lights come on and the sound. Now what'd that take us? A couple minutes? That was pretty easy, wasn't it?
Here's the
Okay.
wheels.
I think we move on to the next thing. What's the next thing? So, I guess in review of this first step here, this is really easy, isn't it? Want to do the wheel?
Here's the wheel.
Okay, let's do the wheel. Oh, here we go. Bitbot. We want to build a robot. Should we just jump to the robot and build the robot?
Yeah.
Think we can do it? There's multiple pieces here. So we need the two wheels. Okay. And we need the motor. There's one motor. Now, if you look at the motors here, does each wheel get its own motor? Right there, look.
Yes.
So we have to have two, don't we? Okay, and we need the big Lego piece. Maybe they don't like us to call those Lego pieces since this is little bits, but okay, we just need one of them.
Okay.
Okay, Ashley, you want to put one of the wheels on? One of the motors on, I mean. It goes on the end. You got to make it so that the wheel can go on it. So that pin, that axle, goes like that. Okay, so it's okay. Now you do this one like that. Only make it so that it sticks out that direction. Can you do that? There, perfect. Now go back with that. There, push that down. Hard. Good job. That's perfect. So it's going to lay right here. And what goes around it? What are these? You got two green things. It's not either of those, is it? What could it be? Oh, I think you're right. See how this one looks?
Can you put it there?
Mm-hmm. This is one whole board. This is one whole board. Where are these orange ones at? That has another orange one. Oh, I think it's this one, isn't it? Which they go up here on the end. It goes up on the end like that. So plug that in to the, oh, it can't be. It's nothing good. Oh. Oh, I guess it does. Oh, I see. These do too. And when you press them down, it pushes, it squeezes them together. Okay? So now, this, oh, there's a wireless receiver. That's cool. This right here is a wireless receiver. Okay, now we need your plug-in with the battery. It goes right there. It's gonna go into there. Our whole thing needs to move back. Okay, so if you plug this in there, plug those two together. There you go. And then it goes on the very end. So that's what determines our spacing. So with that, it says the battery rests here. I think then we have number 2 done, right? Let's do the other board. Get the other big board. So this one we finished, it's that one. Now we need to do number 1. We did them in reverse order.
Wait, we're making 2?
Yeah. Well, there's 2 boards that you have to make this work. So we need another wireless transmitter board. This goes on the end. Gotta go to here first. See how this is done? And wait. Okay. We need your other thingy-mabob that goes to the battery. The other power board. That this. Okay, connect these together. This goes to 1. Oops, is that gonna go in there? Okay, and then that goes to this one. Okay, that's the layout right there, according to what's here. And all we need to do is put it on this big board and then plug the battery in it. So do you want to get the battery ready to plug in? See how this fits on this board? So you need to press that to the mounting board. So press this one to here. Do this big one first. Okay. You're gonna be the power person, okay? We need to test this. Can you turn this power switch on? Slide it that way. Very good. Do the same thing with this power switch right there.
This can come off if I want.
Okay. Yeah, don't take that off. Slide this one and see what you control. Now wait a minute. We have 2 motor controllers and we have 2 slides for control. What do you think they're going to do? No idea? Okay, give it a shot. Ooh, turning that motor. What do you think that one's going to do? Oh look, it turns the other motor. Okay, turn them off. So everything's working, but we need a wheel.
I have a wheel. And look, it needs a top. I think we need to use that Velcro for the top.
So
No, we need to use
see
that for the top.
it's a D shape, so there's a flat in there. That flat needs to match up with the flat on this shaft right there. Okay, so if you rotate this like that and push it on, push on the wheel.
Oh, can I try?
Push on it. Oh, wait a minute. We're gonna have those pop off the board, I bet. Okay.
Can I do mine?
Yours? Yes. Did you see the D's? This goes on the inside, so make that go on the inside. And line up the D's and push it on. Make sure you don't pop that motor off the board. That's okay. We'll fix it. Do that one.
I can't.
You don't think you can?
It's so hard.
Where's the D at? The flat. It's over there. Okay, so. They'll just be loose on there. Okay, so do you see how this works?
Yeah.
This is the remote control for that robot.
Oh.
Slide the slide and see what you can control. We don't need those for this one. So leave those in
I
there.
thought we were gonna make the top with them.
Control this with this. I'll hold it so that they don't come apart. Don't run it off the edge.
Scares me. Should we try this on the floor?
Well, if we start over here, you'll get used to it.
How do you steer it?
You tell me. You're the driver. Make that baby go.
Oh.
It likes to go in a circle, doesn't it?
Oh. Okay,
It also talks about controlling it and having the middle position of the slide dimmers stop the wheels. How come ours isn't off in the center? Oh, it's because you can set up the motor in the directions based on these switches. See how those are going like that?
yeah.
Should be able to make it so that
Make it fast.
now we want them to stop in the middle. So they're stopped in the middle there. So if you make this one, this goes backwards, that goes backwards. So watch how this controls now.
That is so cool. Now for the ball.
Okay, so that works much better, and it's just because we set up the motors like they're supposed to be.
Yeah.
We're done. That's our robot. We're out of time, but what I want to get from you guys is, do you think this was fun?
Yeah.
Did you like it? Would you build another project with this?
Yeah.
And you think that it's something that if you had this kit at home, that you would play with it and build different things and make lights go on and off, make motors turn, build robots?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I like it too. The only thing, I really like the way that it all snapped together. I like the way that it's easy to make all of the electric aspect of it work and the motors and make something so quickly, move around, make a robot out of it. One thing that I'm kind of frustrated with is how easily all of these things come off the boards. And I wish that these are solid. I don't know if maybe we got a board that's kind of loosey-goosey on us, I'm not sure. But that's a minor thing. I think overall, I really like it. And you could do a lot of cool things with it, and it's very easy to assemble. You don't get frustrated because it's too hard or complex. So I think we all give it a thumbs up, don't we? Okay, thumbs up? Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them below the video. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.